Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. Smaller doses of peanut effective against allergy study shows. A new study suggests that smaller doses of peanut can help children with food allergies build up their resistance, with fewer side effects than larger doses. Researchers tested a low-maintenance dose of 30 mg of peanut versus a high dose of 300 mg, and found that both groups experienced significant and similar increases in their allergic reaction threshold to peanuts. Children taking the low dose had fewer side effects. The researchers say the minimum maintenance dose to provide benefit may be even lower than 30 mg. This will give families more flexibility, as some may choose to remain on very low doses while others increase doses over time, depending on their goals. The researchers say this provides more options to support patients' experiences and provide tailored care. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. Less than /speak.